This is how to compile, verify, and submit a diary in HeadLight Fieldbook. First, we're going to open up the HeadLight Fieldbook app, and then we're going to enter information and log in. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and tap on Reports on the left sidebar. Then we're going to create a new report by tapping on the green plus sign on the top right. In the pop-up menu, we're going to go ahead and click on Project Diary since this is a diary. And then afterwards, we'll go ahead and rename the title of the report. Then we're going to verify the report date by tapping on Report Date, and then from here you can scroll on the bottom to determine the time. Then we're going to determine that this is a day or night shift by tapping on Day or Night at the bottom of the pop-up menu. Then once you verify the information is correct, we're going to go ahead and click on Confirm on the bottom right of the pop-up menu. Then you'll notice that the report details will start to pop up on the bottom left of the page, where we're going to go ahead and tap on Display All Observations on the bottom right of the pop-up menu. Then we're going to go ahead and tap on Search in the middle top of the page so that we can edit the search criteria. And this is to ensure that you're displaying all of your journal observations. Once your journal observations have loaded, we're going to go ahead and tap on the journal observations that we want to select. And you can verify if it was selected by checking in the bottom left of the journal observation to see if the little box is checked. And we're going to continuously scroll through our journal observations so that we can still select the journal observations that we want to compile into our report. Once we've selected our journal observations, we're going to go ahead and tap on Add to Report on the bottom right. Then we'll go ahead and tap on Report Details on the left sidebar again so that we can view all of our report details, in this case all of our journal observations that we selected. And then we're going to tap on Spreadsheets on the left sidebar to view our spreadsheet observations. And notice that I'm on the Work Item tab underneath the Spreadsheets page, and then from here we're going to go ahead and select and add the work items that we want to add to our report. And once you selected your work items, we're going to tap on Add to Report on the bottom right. Now we're going to tap on the Weather app located to the left of the Work Item tab, and then we're going to select and add the weather spreadsheet observations that we want to add to the report. Similarly, we're going to tap on the Personnel tab located to the left of the Weather tab, and then we're going to select and add the Personnel spreadsheet observations we want to add to our report. And lastly, we'll do the same thing to the Equipment tab located to the left of the Personnel tab and select the Equipment spreadsheet observations that we want to add to our report. The first way to verify that you've selected all of your journal observations are by tapping on Report Details on the left sidebar and scrolling through all of the journal observations that you selected. The second way to verify is by tapping on Download PDF located on the bottom left of the Report Details pop-up menu, and this will download a PDF version of your compiled report. And similar to the Report Details pop-up menu, we're going to go ahead and scroll through the PDF version of the compiled report, and we're going to verify that we selected all of our journal observations. And once verified, we'll tap on Back to the app on the top left to go back to HeadLight Fieldbook. And then once verified, we'll go ahead and tap on Submit on the bottom left of the Report Details pop-up menu, and then you're done.